So I want you to be lined up, nice and even, hips, shoulders, nose, neck, nose, sternum, belt buckle, all in line here, which is helpful to line up with the edge of the mat. Here, I want you at 90 degrees, so your knees in line with your hip, and here, your ankles in line with your knee. Your feet are firm on the wall wherever you're doing this, so you're making sure the tripod of the foot is nice and steady there, and there's a ball right in between your knees. You're gonna take a nice inhale, gentle tuck of your pelvis underneath you. You're gonna press down on the ball, drag and draw it back, pulling the femur into the socket. You'll probably feel a little bit of a stretch here, but you're really looking for the inside of your left leg, that adductor, to be turning on. This top arm is just here, pressing down, monitoring the rib cage, because you want only below the belly button to be shifting and moving. Taking an inhale, pressing, exhale, pull it back. Good.